I'm sure you have seen hundreds of videos with the title A Day in the Life of a Doctor, A Day in the Life of a Content Creator, A Day in the Life of a Celebrity. But this is different. This is a day in the life of a common man. Meet my friend, Obinna.
My name is Obinna, and I'm into plantain business.
In this video, Obinna will take us through a day in his life. He will also teach me how to do his job. And finally, we are going to play a fun game where he gets to win some prizes.
My name is Obinna, and this is a day in the life of the common man. For now, for just 2 years, I'm an O-level holder. Normally I wake up in the morning by 6 in the morning, take my bath, pray. That is the normal thing you should do. I pray, then look for something to eat. After that, by 10, I'm out. I took light stops in the morning most times. This morning I had to take pap. I took pap, akara. That's normal for light movement because the kind of work I do, I have to be careful not to take something heavy much. The risk here, moving between the cars and going from far distance, and with what's going on in the country, shouldn't go too far away from where there's much security anyway. There's a toilet, we have a public toilet here. So go there. And on a bad day, Ali, you should go home with 5K. That's okay. That's a very yes. So most times you can go home with 200 chips, 200 pieces of chips. So that's 200 pieces.
How much?
That should be 20K.
Yes. That's the best day.
Sometimes more than that. When I'm not working, I just surf the internet, mostly Facebook. And I like pages that are more educative, not just any help page. That are more educative, like BBC News, stuff like that, signs and things like that. That's the only thing I do. What I love about, let me just put that's hobby. I read books. I have a lot of books at home. Then, what I eat around here is more, we eat rice. Get your spaghetti, plantain, or you can go to some Igbo people here and take Igbo stuff and eat. Eat your apple with a goosey soup. And so what I'm doing right now is a process, or is the road I have to travel to get to the exact place I want to get to. So I'm not really saying that I will still get there. I cannot release it because if you want to get to a place, there are steps to take. By 6, I'm out of here. After I go back home, on television and watch the news. No, I talk with my friends, girlfriend. I have.
She's around?
No, she doesn't stay around here. Oh, no, I don't do that. There's too much reason doing that. Of course. No, you can't be doing up and I know if you do with the one guy that STDs are there, HIV is there, a lot of stuff are there, so. And Yahoo Plus also there. Ladies are doing it this time around. You have to be very careful. I'll talk to our youth out there, if you want to make money, there are right procedures you have to go through. So the economy is hard, but if you make up your mind, do it the right way. Don't do evil to make money. Every great man that has made it, they always have a beginning that is not that rosy. If you know what you want, if it's a trade you want to learn, go and learn it and put the right principle, you get where you want to get to. Just know, like in biology, they say adaptation. Learn to adapt the right way. So I would say there's something that I will have told myself. I think I'm on the right track. I just want to own business, production. Yes, production. And I would love to go into services, supermarkets, and I would love to be an employer of labor. Seriously, I have that dream. Employ thousands of people and move from there. Before you go, you have to look at the traffic light. Once it's red, then you go in and you talk to the cars. And the first thing you must do also warn the drivers. Because some of them will be pressing their phone. Oh. So if you can't stand too close to them, they might move, they might slide without you knowing it. Jeez. So you warn the drivers, then you walk in, look through the windows, the one that calls, you make eye contact. But most times in the morning, it's just something like 45 seconds interval. But in the afternoon, it's more than that. So you understand?
Like 1 minute?
Yeah, like 1 minute. You have to be very, very careful with that. Then you look at it. Once it's green, you get out. Something very, very important. If you make out the money, somebody's leg is gone. I know the funniest thing. Sometimes, even when the light is on green, you can run it.
When it's on green?
Yes. Some people can call you. But you watch the spaces between the cars. then you move in. So and when the car are still moving, going, you can enter, but you don't run too. Because if you run too much, you confuse the driver. The best thing is to stand.
Exactly.
So the driver will be wait.
Oh God. You don't go be hold am. See am, oh yeah, hold am make you see am, hold am make you see am. Just like this now.
Omo, I don't even say she's. Ah God, I beg. Brother. No, I can do it. Now 100 naira, 100 naira.
The price is there, they know. The price is there.
I can do it. Wait, which motor I go?
Any car.
Just go see am.
You know, buy go, I go. It goes to green. Let I enter for you.
Don't worry.
What that?
Hey!
Who do me like
I don't enter.
Who do me like
That buy chips, sir. No buy chips. Wala. Plantain chips.
How much?
100 naira now.
100 naira.
Go buy, we no go buy.
You don't get that one of 15 naira. Now 15
You
naira.
said go buy 15, I mean I share am. No buy. Plantain chips. You not see red light. Plantain chips. Abaka bomo kule. Ompuka bomo kule. Plantain chips. Hey God, I beg. Plantain chips. I don't. You said don't be OG for this work. Plantain chips, sir. I don't be OG for this work. Plantain chips. Yaka bomokule. Plantain chips. Hey. I don't go for the work. Plantain chips, sir. Plantain chips and it is good. Babaka bomokule. They give me project. Hey, wala. Oh, everlasting Father. Hey, my first sin. Oh God, I'm a seller. Hey, I don't say one. Plantain chips. Share the one well.
Just feel, can go in now.
Make I do follow you. Plantain chips. Find the plantain chips. Find out the plantain chips. Find the plantain chips. Voila. Please purchase for me now. They say I should sell 5. I have to sell 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. That's the 500. 5. You don't have money. Maybe I big game. Plantain chips. Plantain chips. I don't say one now. Plantain chips. Hey God, I beg.
How many people you might go buy 5?
Hey. Now so they do this thing. Hey. I must sell.
Hey, no easy.
It's supposed easy to sell people. As I dey enter, they just dey buy am.
No, that is where it is. No.
You go wait.
That is where it
Until
is.
they buy am.
You can't know the time.
You can't know the time. If people one person wey go buy 10, I fit wait 2 hours. Make nobody buy me. Make I still go on.
It's left for you now. You know what?
I have 2 sheets with me, so I'm just gonna pick one.
Alright.
Basically, are you ready?
I'm okay.
I pick one. Hey! Okay. Now the second one. Got it.
I don't think I've seen it.
Ah. All right.
My name is Obinna, and this is a day in the life of the common man.